So, combination video. Tiffy and Romeo's puppy right here. This is Tiffany 1. Tiffany raised this litter. These other three cute little munchkins is Anna Banana and Bentley. Anna's last litter, Tiffany's last litter too. So these three are 7 weeks and 2 days. And this blue fawn here, 7 weeks old today. Huh. Anna makes the cutest little puppy. She has shorter legs than normal. She has a ridge back. She puts that into all her puppies. They're just adorable. Puppies have always been well sought after. Huh. And they're just so cute. Yeah. You smell so good. Uh-oh. Hi. Come here, you beautiful puppy. Maybe sit up. Tiffany number 1 here became available. I got someone coming tonight to look at her and see how they can pass her up. Isn't that so cute? I am. What are you tugging on? I'm reading your pants. You give me kisses? Hmm? You can give kisses too. You're a chunk. Big difference in their weight. You're little, and you're not so little. You want that really bad. There. Hey, Connie?
Yeah?
Shut that door.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi. Does it taste like chicken? So, like we stated on all our videos, you got 3 weeks, get ready. If you haven't done your reading 20 times, do it one more. Get your place set up. We really recommend the X-Pen, litter box, and litter. It works well. We also sell the Snuggle Puppy. It's got a bead card in there. Can't beat our prices on that. If you haven't got a veterinary, get one. Need help doing that, then you're in a metropolitan area, just Google a Frenchie meetup group. You join it, put out the question. You see how their legs are just a little shorter. than average. We've seen the adults that from Anna's puppies that people bring here. They're just drop dead gorgeous. Most of them have that ridge back down their back there. Anna's already gone to her forever home. Tiffany gets her dental work done in 3 days, and then she'll go back to her forever home. She's been hanging out there for the last 10 days. You got a cute little tail. Can I play with it? Where's my little friend? Come here. Not supposed to have favorites, but what do you think? You just crack me up. Yes, you do. Huh? You're cute too. Yes, you are. Don't think we got any poo eaters here. Y'all got good breath. Yeah. You're so cute. Come over here. Can't see you. Well, it's on now. It's on now. That cute little baby toy. They love these. These are actually for babies. If you want the best toy in the whole world, go to a baby store. Or buy a belt. Tennis shoes. She'll come back for more loving. I hear ya. Sneaking in those kisses. Got 3 weeks, you got a lot of love coming your way. Huh. Want belly rubs? That's not fair. Oh Lord, getting mad now. Oh, you getting an attitude? Oh, That was quick. 10 whole minutes just flew by. Say goodbye to your mom and daddies. They will be home soon.